Hi, Terry Brown here. Get your 100% free $1,250 travel savings cash now simply for taking a look at my incredible business opportunity. And guess what? It won't even cost you a dime. Simply grab the link and get access to my Make Money page and learn about my Make Money page system. If you're serious about making extra income online, building wealth online, then you will be at the right place. So check all the information out, and then you just simply scroll down at the bottom of the page, okay? And this page may change, but it will be here, okay? And you'll see get your 100% free $1,250 travel savings cash now. You simply click on that link. It will take you to my travel site, and you will be able to access your $1,250 free gift. And guess what? It won't cost you a dime. All right. So go ahead and grab the link and check everything out today. And I've got some exciting information that I'm going to share with you as well. So hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.